Down here in my studio today. In fact, I've got to go to the front door right now. I'll be right back. Somebody in yesterday's video commented with a question: how did they keep the coyote skin on their head? Well, they tied it on. I can only put so much detail in a clay. I can't. If it was a big life-size clay, I could put the strap holding it on his head, but I don't have that in life size, so I can't put all that kind of detail in. It would. There's just so much you can do. Right now, I've got to make a shot pouch and powder horn, and I got to figure out where I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it right here. I don't know how much of it's going to be showing because there's just, the shirt's in the way. So I'm going to have to cut this away from the body here and place it underneath there. Now there's a strap that holds the shot pouch and powder horn on his shoulder. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to put that. I got his the legs of the animal holding are tied in front of his head, and somehow I've got to get all that worked out. It's just a lot of detail that takes forever. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm going to put some tacks. I know I'm using a lot of tacks, but they would have been cheaper than beads back then. And also, bronze-wise, they actually look a little bit better than the beadwork would be. Because beadwork always looks fakey. This size. All right, let's see if I can find my X-Acto knife. I got the powder horn. It would have been a buffalo horn. And now I'm going to make some brass tacks. I'm going to put some of these on the back of the powder horn to attach the wooden plug on the back of this powder horn. I'm going to have to make them a little smaller than that. I've got down here in my studio almost an hour later than I normally do. It only leaves me about an hour to work, if I even have that. And then I had somebody come to my door. It's been an interestingly busy day. So I'm not sure how long of a video today's video is going to be. Also, I found that my camera, when it starts recording, the first second or so of my audio gets muffled, and I'm not sure why that is. I've got another Hero 8 around here somewhere. I just got to find what I did with it. and get that set up to start recording. Clay, or the blade here, so that the powder horn will stick to the pouch. I'm putting the bottom part of the strap for the pouch down here, and I'll continue on up here. I gotta take all this out of here and put the rest of the strap going up and over his shoulder and underneath his hair. Now I just paint the clay pouch, the monster clay pouch, so that it matches the color of the clay. Yeah, I know how ridiculous this seems, going through this extent just to hide most of what I sculpted, but that's part of the deal. It's almost unnoticeable, this addition that I put onto the clay today. This powder horn and the pouch, shot pouch, and the straps. They barely show up, but they're there, and that's the key to detailing. You have it there whether it can be seen fully or not, and I'm happy with that. It actually complements the whole piece now. All I have left to do is detail work, do the fur texture tomorrow, and this piece will be just about complete. I'm going to do something right now. I only got a couple of minutes before I have to call it quits, because if I don't, I won't get my video out till midnight. Small fringe at the bottom edge of the shirt to make it stand out from the rest of the shirt. It's the detail work. That just takes forever. But if you do it right, it really makes it worthwhile. All done, except for the fur texture and some detailing I've got to do up here, but it is getting there. I'm happy with this piece. It's a simple pose, but he is moving, and it's not dramatic, but it shows life. And that's what I'm really loving about this clay right now. This quirt really added to it. I'm glad I put that on there. It just shows you how much detail goes into this type of work. And you still got to make it so they can cast it in bronze. And I think that worked out just fine. All right. Good night, everybody. See you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.